This video we are going to see how to generate the alphabets using LabVIEW software. So for that, let us recall the ASCII code of alphabets. We have the small letter case where we have the ASCII code is 97 and B 98. This sequence is going on up to Z. And similarly for the capital case of A, we have the 65 and B is 66, C is 67, and the case is going like this. So we will take this case, then we will generate the letter. So first of all, we need to take the selector switch for choosing the whether it may be a lowercase or uppercase. A means we have the 97, so like a small letter 97. So for that we are adding the constant. This constant is 96. Why you are 96? That we'll see later. And we will add one more case. We will add one more case, that is 65 for lowercase. So connecting both the things to here. So the first one, upper one is lowercase, and the lower one is uppercase. And we need to connect the boolean selector for choosing the letter. So for that we will take the switch, push button switch. This push button switch will select the case, how to whether to what to generate, whether it may be a lower case or upper case. It has to be generated. And we will select some loop condition that for input for this loop we are connecting the shift register. For this shift register we need to connect this selector switch. Then we will make the increment count. We will make the increment count like this, right? Then we need to take the alphabets having the 26 numbers. So we are connecting the constant 26. So this loop will execute up to 26 times. This loop is execute up to 26 times. Now for this shift register output we need to connect the indicator. Let us see what will happen. So wait, we will connect to the tunnel. In the tunnel we are choosing the indexing value. So in this indexing value we will select the indicator. So this indicator type is nothing but a array type. This indicator type is a array type. So right, so let us see what output we will get, that we will see. So when we run this program, we have the output array is 66, 67, like this it is going on. When we turn on this boolean, it will generate, see, it will generate to the alphabet. Use that. For that we will take string path and array. There we have string to byte array. Now we will connect this to here. Sorry, we will connect a byte to string array. So we will connect a byte to string array, byte array to string. Then we will connect indicator here. We will connect indicator. We will connect the string indicator to have. So we will connect the string indicator. Connect the string indicator like this, right? Now this indicator is connected to here. This indicator is connected to here, right? Now the diagram is over. Let us see what output we will get. So we will take the front panel, right? The front panel, I am selecting the boolean switches off. What will happen? So it will generate the sequence from B to Z. B to Z. In addition to that, we have the open parenthesis. But let us see what will happen. So here it will start from B because of I generate the sequence from 65. So the capital A letter, capital case A letter having 65. So let us change this as 64, so that it will make the increment. Then it will give the output as 65, so that the output is starting from A. Similarly, for our lower case, the starting letter is 97. So here it is okay. A case it is okay. Now again, once again we will run this program. Once again we will run this program. So we have the capital case is starting from A to Z. When we turn on, when we turn on, we will make it, when we turn on, it will generate the letters from small cases A to Z. So in this way, based on the selector switch, we can generate the alphabets from either it may be a lower case or upper case we can generate. Thank you.